Today we are changing the engine air filter on a 2018 Mazda CX-5. There are two clips on the front side of the air filter housing. You need to release them both. Then lift up on the upper housing to reveal the air filter that's seated in the lower housing. Go ahead and pull out the old air filter. Notice how much debris the filter has collected and prevented from entering into the engine. Here I will be installing a MicroGard engine air filter, part number MGA 49247, that was purchased from my nearby O'Reilly Auto Parts store. You can visibly see the difference between the old dirty filter and a brand new one. It's a good idea to write the installation date somewhere on the filter in either black or gray Sharpie. Next, insert the new filter in the lower housing, making sure that it's properly seated. It should fit tightly in the housing, and all edges should be flush with the lower housing. When reinstalling the upper housing, pay attention to anything that might get in the way of a good seal, like this cable. Reposition as needed. The rear of the upper housing has 3 tabs that slide into loops of the lower housing. Tilt the rear of the upper housing down slightly and guide the tabs into the loops. Lastly, fasten the 2 clips on the front side and you're done. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video was relevant and useful to you.